Regarding relationships, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to what women want. Every woman is different and has her own unique set of needs and desires. However, a few things most women generally look for in a partner. First and foremost, women want a man who is trustworthy and reliable. This means being honest, keeping your word, and being dependable. It's essential to be able to trust your partner, and trust is built through consistency and reliability. Women also value communication and emotional connection in a relationship. It's crucial for a woman to feel heard and understood by her partner. Listening actively, expressing empathy, and sharing your feelings is vital to building a solid emotional connection. Respect is also crucial for women in a relationship. This means treating your partner with kindness, fairness, and consideration, and valuing her opinions, interests, and boundaries. Another critical aspect of a relationship that women value is intimacy. This goes beyond just physical intimacy but also includes emotional and spiritual intimacy. Being open, vulnerable, and willing to share your inner world with your partner is a crucial aspect of intimacy. In addition, women also appreciate small gestures of love, such as thoughtful surprises, warm hugs, and sweet messages. They also want a partner willing to grow and evolve together and committed to working through challenges and conflicts that may arise. While the above points may not be the only things women want in a relationship, they are undoubtedly important. A healthy and happy relationship is built on trust, communication, respect, intimacy, and mutual growth. It's worth noting that this is a generalization. Not all women want the same things in a relationship, so it's essential to communicate openly with your partner to understand what they need and want. But what about you? Leave a comment letting us know more about what women really want. Please keep the discussion generalized on merit, not diversity, and keep it on a level of decorum. Like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching Soul View, and we'll see you next time.